previous recording has ended. Probably because I lost the connection and suddenly it reconnected and now the recording started from the beginning. Okay, we didn't miss anything. So 5 times 2 and then 6 times 5, 30 and 40 now. 40 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 2, 12. So it's going to be 38 and 28. 28 divided by 2, that is 14. 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's how it goes. Oxygen gets a negative charge, this oxygen negative charge, this oxygen plus 2, this oxygen, so this nitrogen plus 2, this oxygen minus 1, this oxygen minus 1. Now what will happen? Let's form a bond. This lone pair towards the inside, this lone pair towards the inside. Can we do that? Can we do this? Can we make 2 bonds? Guys? Hello? Can we make 2 bonds? Only 1 bond. Only 1 bond. We can't make 2 bonds, right? Very good. Why is that? Because it exceeds the octet. Not possible. So only 1 we can do. Here also only 1. So let's draw them. Nitrogen positive. Here this lone pair gets removed. Let's say you put the other one. මේ පැත්ත ගමුකෝ. This nitrogen gets a positive charge. There you go. So this oxygen's negative charge will go away. So this is the structure. This is the Lewis structure for N2O5. Then තේරෙනවද people? Basically you understand the project, right? I mean this whole project, this Lewis structures project, do you understand? I mean like how to draw this stuff. Not much complicated, right? I want your idea regarding this. Guys, talk. Talk. Do you understand what we did until now? Yes. I hope it makes perfect sense right now to you. Draw the Lewis structure of CH6N3 plus. Okay, let's calculate 5 times 3, x equals 5 times 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus plus 1 minus 1 because there's a charge. So 15 plus 10 minus 1, 24. 24 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. 36. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I have to put the electrons to the most electronegative atoms, nitrogen. Yes. That's fine. You will get over with it. Right now, nitrogens look fine. Nitrogen doesn't have a charge and the carbon has a positive charge. But we can't do anything about it. We can't make a bond with nitrogen and get rid of that charge. So this is the structure. This is the structure. Carbon has a positive charge in this case. 39th one. Draw the most acceptable Lewis dot dash structure for CH2NO2 minus. Okay, now x is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 12 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 and 5, 10. 10 and 12 is 22. 22 and 2 is 24. So 24 will be the value. Now what you do? You subtract the bond electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is going to be 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So you put 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And seventh electron pair, to where should you put? Let's put to carbon and C. First of all, let's put to carbon and C. Hurry. Oxygen gets a negative charge. This oxygen gets a negative charge. This carbon has a minus charge. This nitrogen has a +2 charge. Okay. According to the things we see here, carbon cannot have a charge. Normally, carbon doesn't have a charge, except for this scenario. Carbon normally doesn't have a charge. So what we do is, let's form a bond between carbon and nitrogen. මම මෙතන bond එකක් form කරනවා. Now what's going to happen? You erase the charges, everything, and you form the bond. You form the bond. And then this one remains positive, and the carbon's charge is gone. Yes, ask. What's your doubt? What decides on which element we place the electrons? Normally, now here, why did I put electrons on carbon? Because nitrogen contains two neighbors who we have given electrons. And it contains two neighbors which have given electrons. So we are giving priority to carbon. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කරන්නේ electronegative කට්ටියට, ඒ කියන්නේ වටේ ඉන්න electronegative කට්ටියට electrons ටික දෙනවා. We are giving electrons to the electronegative atoms in the surrounding of that atom. So what's going to happen is, දැන් බලන්න මේ structures වල, දැන් මේක බලන්නකො. We gave electrons first to these oxygen atoms because they are terminal. They are terminal. මෙයාට දුන්නා, මෙයාට දුන්නා, මෙයාට දුන්නා, මෙයාට දුන්නා. Why didn't we give to nitrogen the remaining two? Why? Because it already has neighbors. Again, we gave to oxygen. We gave to oxygen, හරිද? මෙයාට දුන්නානේ. මෙයාටත් දුන්නානේ. ඒක හින්දා මෙයාට ඕනේ නැහැ. Like it has rich neighbors. So we are giving this to this poor oxygen. අන්න එහෙම හිතන්නත් පුළුවන්. Because oxygen doesn't have electron rich neighbors, so we give the electrons to that oxygen. මෙහෙම ඇඳලා මොකක් හරි අවුල් ගියොත් එහෙම, then you can change the then location and draw. මම අර කලින් ඉස්සෙල්ලා කරේ. For this structure, I put first the electron pair to this nitrogen and then I drew it. හරිද? මම මෙතෙන්ට දාලා ඉඳන්නේ. ඒක හරි ගියේ නෑනේ people. It didn't work. So what I did was I put it to the other nitrogen. Or you can experiment on your structure. That's fine. හරි? Right. දැන් අර මෙහෙමයි. අර මං කියවනේ Lewis structures is like driving a car කියලා. It's like you are thinking to yourself, can I take this hill with the second gear? මට second gear එකෙන් මේ කන්ද නක් ගන්න පුළුවන් වේද? That's a question. How do you approach it? Do and see. හරි කරලා බලන්න. If it didn't work, then probably you can't. හරි? Just put the electrons and see what's going to happen. What you can do is take a paper, හරිද? මොකක් හරි paper එකක් ගන්න. ඒ paper එකේ first structure disk එක බලන්න. ඒකේ Lewis structure එක බලන්න. And then draw it. හරිද? Draw it. Draw it as much as you can. ඒ කියන්නේ පුළුවන් විදිහට electrons ටික දාලා කොහෙද හරි කරලා අඳින්න. And then check the marking scheme. Check the marking scheme and check whether you're correct or not. This is the procedure. This is what you should do. But you don't need to find papers. I have given you 50 structures in this tute, 40 structures actually. Extra structures are also I'm giving. And then weekly review, you will find more structures. So altogether around මේ month එක ඉවරෙද්දී නිකන් 100ක් විතර ඇඳලා තියෙයි. හරිද? 100ක් විතර ඇඳලා තියෙයි මේ month එක ඉවරෙද්දී. Around 100. So you will be fine. You don't need to find papers. I just told you that's going to work. එතකොට මට මේ arrow එක ගන්න හරි right. So this is the structure for this molecule. This positive charge and this this positive charge and this negative charge cancels off, and then what's going to happen? This minus charge will remain, and that minus only there. Hurry. Okay. 40th one. The skeletal of C2N4H4 molecule is given below. Draw the most acceptable Lewis dot dash structure for the molecule. So let's draw it. Let me calculate it. X is equal to 5. There are 5 times 3 and 4. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 nitrogen. Carbon there are 2. So 4 into 2. Hydrogen there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 into 4, 20. And 4 into 2, 8. And then here 4. Then 28 and 32. 32 electrons are there. So you subtract the number of bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 18. So 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Hurry. Now you put the electrons. First you give to the terminal atoms. 1, 2, 3. Hurry. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. I can give to the nitrogen. If this didn't work, then let's do another method. හරි. මෙහෙම දාලා බලමු. දාලා ඇදලා බලමු එයිද කියලා. ආවේ නැත්තම් වෙන විදියක් ගමු. හරි. දැන් මේක exam එකේදී දැන් ඔය 2025 IL එහෙම like 2025 students, how do they just look at it and draw? අර නිකන් බලලා අඳින්නේ කොහොමද? That's experience. ඒකට ඔයාලට ගොඩක් structures අඳින්න වෙනවා. For now you can't do anything like that. You have to just follow the procedure. Procedure එකත් එක්ක යන්න ඕනේ. Okay, now let's mark the charges. Carbon gets a positive charge. This nitrogen, no charge. I mean, this nitrogen, no charge. This nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So it's minus 1. And this nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is minus 2. Minus 2. This carbon is plus 2. This carbon is plus 2. Hurry. Now we can do some adjustments to this. First of all, we can form 2 bonds with this nitrogen towards the carbon. එහෙම කරන්න බලන්නේ. ආයි බලන්න මෙහෙම. I can make a bond with these 2 electrons to inside. That's all. When you do that, you will get the restructure. හරි? Let's see. බලන්න. Look carefully. You put the double bond. Then there's a triple bond now. This minus 2 charge cancels off. This minus 2 charge cancels off. And then here also, you can erase this and draw the bond. The charge cancels off. And then this will be your structure. This will be your structure. So there's a triple bond here. There's a double bond here. Okay. So doesn't look complex to me. Doesn't look complex to me here. Hurry. This one is easy. Okay. Guys, did you understand this? Did you understand this? Okay. Very good. හරි. එතකොට මේ part එක special Lewis structures. Under that people, first one, carbon monoxide. This molecule doesn't work with the normal Lewis procedure. හරි. Carbon monoxide වල normal Lewis procedure එකත් එක්ක ඇන්දොත් එහෙම carbon oxygen. So in carbon there are 4, oxygen there are 6, altogether 10. 10 minus 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. There are 4 electrons. First you put to oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then the remaining one you put to carbon. And then carbon has a positive charge. Oxygen has a negative charge. You make a bond towards the inside. And you will get a double bond here. The positive charge disappears. Hurry. Everyone is happy now, right? You got the structure. You think you're correct. Right. According to Lewis' rule, according to this sir taught me, according to the things we have done in the past 3 hours, this structure should be correct, right? Should be correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. And there's a reason for it. Right? This is a structure which does not obey the normal Lewis procedure. And there's a reason for it. This is something which is questioned very oftenly in the MCQ paper as well as in the structured essay paper. To draw the structure of carbon monoxide and also explain why it takes a structure like that. ඇයි එහෙම වෙන්නේ කියලා you should know. Right? ඇයි එහෙම වෙන්නේ කියලා you should know. Okay, let me tell you, this is wrong. Wrong කියන්නේ මේක unstable. මේක unstable. So this is not the structure. මේක අඳින්න ටියුට් එකේ this is unstable and this is not the structure. Then what is the structure correct one? Carbon will form a triple bond with oxygen getting a positive charge. And carbon getting a negative charge. And carbon getting a negative charge. This is the correct structure for the carbon monoxide molecule. Stable. හරි. දැන් ඉස්සරහට ඉගෙන ගන්නවා ඒ කියන්නේ resonance structures වල ඉගෙන ගන්නවා මම පෙන්නන්නම් මේකේ තියෙනවද දන්නේ නැහැ. This is the beta tube නේ. මේ තියෙනවා. මේ there are two factors which makes a structure unstable. Normally there are two factors that makes a structure unstable. ඒකෙන් පළවෙනි එක තමයි presence of a positive charge on oxygen atom. එතකොට මේකේ people this oxygen has a positive charge නේ අයියා now. What is that now? එතන අඳින්න බෑනේ people දෙතකොට ඒක වැරදිනේ. Oxygen has a positive charge නේ. But people මං කියන්නම් rather than having this carbon incomplete octet, you can count and see carbon's octet is incomplete. There are only 6 electrons. Rather than having a positive charge on, rather than having the incomplete octet for carbon, rather than having an incomplete octet for carbon, having a positive charge on oxygen is fine. When octet is incomplete, it is very unstable. Meya patta unstable. The reason is carbon's octet is incomplete. Carbon's octet incomplete. This is the reason. Reason එකත් එක්ක ලියා ගන්න. Carbon's octet is incomplete and that is why this is unstable. People, this guy's oxygen has a positive charge. Still, it is considered more stable than the other structure. So you can write here. මේ පැත්තේ එහා පැත්ත ලියා ගන්න. Even though oxygen has a positive charge, the structure on the right is correct because having incomplete octet for carbon is very, very, very unstable. Exam make home very, 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 very galley. Put only one very. I just want to explain you the fact. So can you tell again, please? Okay. Normally, if we draw carbon monoxide structure, people, up in normal Lewis procedure, and that you will get this structure. But this is wrong. Why is that? Why is it wrong? Because it's unstable. Why is it unstable? Carbon's octet is incomplete. You can count and see. Here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons. Only 6 electrons are there. It is incomplete. So carbon is like, oh my god, like I have only 6 electrons. This doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for me. So what carbon does is it will immediately ask 2 electrons from oxygen. Now come count the octet here, will you? 2, 2, 2, 2. Octet complete. Oxygen also fine. හරිද? Oxygen also fine. හරිද? oxygen එකේ positive charge එකක් තියෙනවානේ. count කරලා බලන්න 2, 2, 2, 2. හරිද? octet complete. Both have octet complete. ඒක එතකොට මේ statement එකකින් කියන්නේ even though oxygen has a positive charge on the structure, ඒ කියන්නේ the positive charge, even though oxygen has a positive charge, comma, the structure on the right is correct because having incomplete octet for carbon is very, very, very unstable. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ මේක හොඳයි මේකට වඩා කියලා කියන්නේ. This is better than this. හරිද? Both are unstable වගේ තමයි. හරිද? But this is better than this. This is better than this. හරිද? This is better than this. Let's say you have two friends. You have two friends. There are two friends. One friend is only disturbing you. One friend is only disturbing you while working or something. But the other friend, he's trying to kill you. හරිද? හම්බෙච්ච වෙලාවක මරන්න තමයි යන්නේ. He's trying to kill you. හරිද? This one is better than this one. අන්න ඒ වගේ scene එකක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? The one who is disturbing is actually better than the one who is trying to kill you, right? You can understand නේ? ඒ වගේ තමයි මේකත්. Having an incomplete octet is worse than having what? Oxygen positive. So please keep this point in your mind. This will be questioned in papers. Right. Then people made 12, 13, 14 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? These molecules have odd electrons in their central atom. ඒ කිව්වේ. Now look at NO2. Look at NO2, 12th one. NO2. මේ NO2 structure එක people, let's calculate and see. 6 X is equal to 6 plus 5 plus 6. Altogether 12 and 5 is 17, right? 6 and 6 12 and then 5 17. 17 වලින් bond electrons ටික අයින් කරාම you are getting 4 and then 13. Now what should you do? You have to divide this by 2. Will it divide? Electron එකක් අරගෙන pn දෙකට කපන්න පුළුවන්ද people? Can you cut an electron in half? You can't do that නේ. You can't get a decimal value for electron count. So what you should do? You have to put that odd electron onto this nitrogen. Just put it there. Just put it there. And then calculate. 13 minus 1 is 12. Now divide by 2. Then 6. Now you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the electron that nitrogen has, 3. It deserves 5. So 5 minus 3 is plus 2. Oxygen has minus 1. This oxygen has minus 1. Now what you do? Form a bond. This one forms inside, forming a double bond. Hari? Then this one becomes plus and this one, the charge disappears. So here you go. This is the structure for NO2. එතකොට අයියා now can't we make it this side also? Draw and see. හරිද? ඇඳලා බලන්න. Octet is filled. Octet exceeded. හරි? එහෙම ඇඳුවත් octet is exceeded. You will enjoy chemistry only if you do it yourself. Just a point for you to understand. You will enjoy chemistry only if you love what you are doing right now. හරිද? If you love බොරුවට හරි කැමැත්තක් හදාගන්න. හරිද? I know, like, why are we even doing this, people? Why are we even writing this oxygen and bonds and calculating Lewis structures? ඇයි මේවා කරන්නේ people? ඇයි මේවා කරන්නේ? ඇයි මේ නිකන් බොරුවටනේ people? H2O X calculate කරනවා, electrons එක දානවා. බොරු වැඩන්නේ people. Why are we even doing this? අන්න එහෙමනම් හිතන්නේ you will not be able to do this. හරි? If you are thinking like that, then you won't be able to do this. ඔය කට්ටියට මේක challenge එකක් කියලා හිතා ගන්න. Take this as a challenge. If you don't like this, if you don't like chemistry, if you don't like biology, if you don't like uh, physics, first of all what you do is change the stream. දන්න කැමති නැත්තම් කරන්න එපා. හරිද? මම මේ කියන්නේ if you really want to do this, then you have to take it as a challenge. The challenge is there are 3 subjects and there's one exam. That's the final exam. Final battle. You just want to score your maximum in these 3 subjects and try to score A. That's your challenge. So, octet rule of nitrogen? What do you mean octet rule of nitrogen? You mean in this one? 12th one? හරි 12th one එකේ අර extra electron එක දැම්මනේ අතුලට. හරි. Now it has a positive charge like this and oxygen එක double bonds හදනවා. හරිද? Now people, let's calculate and see how many electrons are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7 electrons. ඕක ඔහොම තියලා තව එකක් හැදුවොත්, what if we make another bond? Just like you mean, if we make another bond from here, then a methaniන් ඇතුළට form කරොත්, let's draw and see. මෙහෙම හරි මෙහෙම form කරොත්, what will happen is you can count the number of electrons on nitrogen. It will become 9. මෙතන 2යිනේ. මෙතන 2යි. Yes, Vaishnavi, correct. It will become 9. මෙතන 2යි. මෙතන 1යි. Can you understand? Yeah. Then it will become 9. එතකොට octet is exceeded. We can't do that. Now you may be wondering now, අයියා මෙතන 7යිනේ තියෙන්නේ. Electrons 7යිනේ තියෙන්නේ. Isn't that incomplete? No people, this plus charge is there නේ. Plus charge එකෙන් කියන්නේ actually electron is removed from that place. දැන් electron එක අයින් කළා වගේ scene එකක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ එතන. එතන ඒක worry වෙන්න එපා ඒක ගැන. So this is the structure for NO2. ඒ වගේම ClO2 also same. මේ challenge එක කරන්න හරිද? This is your challenge. You probably do that and show everyone that you can do it. It's just a challenge. හරිද? Think it as a challenge. ClO2 minus නෙමෙයි ClO2. ClO2 වල let's calculate. X is equal to 7 plus 12. 7 plus 12 is how much? 19. 19 minus 4, that is 15. Now you put the odd electron. You can't divide this by 2. You put the odd electron on chlorine. Minus 1, that is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7යි. ඔය electrons 7 අපි දාන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7th one here. Now people, this chlorine doesn't obey octet rule. හරිද? මම මේ odd electrons ටික එකට දෙන්න ඕනේ හින්දා මේක දුන්නේ. This chlorine doesn't obey the octet rule. හරි? Chlorine doesn't obey the octet rule. එයා අපි වෙනම ගන්නෙ. මේ he can exceed the octet rule. හරි? ඒතර මෙතන minus. The chlorine has 1 2 3 4 5. So how much electrons does it deserve? 7. How much electrons it has? 5. Then the charge will be plus 2. So we can form as much as bonds you want. මෙතනින් හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. Both sides you can make bonds. Now draw the 2 bonds. මෙහෙම. හරි? Now there is no charge on either molecule. So that's how we draw the structure for ClO2. Hari, ClO2. And then finally, NO. NO වල බලන්න people, nitrogen has 5, oxygen has 6, 11, 11 minus 2, 9. Odd electron එක කොහෙටද දාන්නේ oxygen ටද? No, to nitrogen. How do you know that? ඒක when you interact with chemistry for a long amount of time, you will be able to understand that. මේවා හම්බෙනවා people NO, NO2 you're going to find in inorganic and all. Inorganic වලට ඉස්සරහට හම්බෙනවා. එතනදී you are going to learn more than this. හරිද? More than this you are going to learn. So just put the odd electron on nitrogen and then subtract that electron. You will get 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. එතකොට මෙතන 1යි 2යි 3යි and then the fourth one you can put it here. So this oxygen you will get a minus charge. This nitrogen you will get plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus charge. Now what you can do? Form a bond with oxygen. You can form a bond inside. Like this. Now people, this nitrogen people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 electrons it has, 5 electrons it has got, so there's no charge for nitrogen. Oxygen also there's no charge, so this is the structure for NO. This is the structure for NO. I hope you understood this part. Hari? I hope you understood this part. මේක එක දවසින් ගොඩ යන්නේ නැහැ people. You have to do this a lot of times. You have to draw a lot of Lewis structures in order to understand this. අද දවසේ ඇතුළත Lewis structures බෑ කියලා වගේ තේරුණා නම් ඔය එක හරි යනවා ටික කාලයක් ගියාම පස්සේ හරියයි. එතකොට you can convey it that way, right? Okay. Okay then people. With that we are going to end today's session. Thank you for joining. You have done a good job today. You answered correctly most of the questions. You understood this part. I'm so happy about it. Next week we are going to do, I'm going to upload what you call the weekly review after today's class. You can do that. And also next week we are doing the holiday boosters. So get ready for that. From next week onwards, we are going to accelerate a little bit so that we can catch up the unit 3 and all before other classes go into unit 4. Let's try to catch up quickly, right? Okay, because we started late. We are like probably 6 months late, but we can catch up, don't worry. Okay, then you can leave the meeting. Thank you for joining. Gomez, you can come to the class on Saturday and we are going to continue the next part. So it's done earlier for you than the other online students. He's a physical student actually. He couldn't attend last week. Okay then. You can leave the meeting. Good night.